Business Attachments functionality allows admins and cardholders to store attachments in your PEX account. You can use this feature to add an invoice, purchase order, or receipt to your PEX account to manage it later. This feature lays the foundation for some exciting improvements, such as automatically attaching receipts, invoices, and purchase orders to your transactions. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Attachments tab. Once you're in the Attachments section, click on the Upload button. This is your gateway to adding receipts, invoices, or purchase orders. Simply select the document you want to upload from your device. If you'd like to customize the name of the attachment for better organization, you can do that too. Just click on the three dots next to the attachment, choose Rename, and enter a new name. Then click OK to save your changes. Now, let's head back to the Transactions section. Here, you'll be able to locate the recent transaction you want to attach the document to. Simply click on it to open the details and click Attach. Look in the Attachments section for your documents, select it, and click Add. This will link the document you uploaded earlier to this transaction. We hope this enhancement improves the speed and organization of attaching receipts for you and your team. Please scan the QR code for more information.